Hello students, welcome to your school YouTube channel. Today's topic is, what is the basic unit of life? So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. What is the basic unit of life? The basic unit of life is the cell. This means that every living thing is made of cells. And life begins at the cellular level. Just like a building is made of bricks. All plants, animals, and humans are made of cells. Without cells, life cannot exist. The cell is the smallest structure that can perform all the activities necessary for life. Because of this, cells are called the basic or fundamental unit of life. Discovery of the cell. Cells were discovered in 1665 by Robert Hooke. While observing a thin slice of cork under a microscope, he noticed tiny box-like structures and named them cells. At that time, he saw only dead cells. Later, scientists discovered living cells and realized how important they are for life. Why is the cell called the basic unit of life? A cell is called the basic unit of life because all living organisms are made of one or more cells. Some organisms, like bacteria, are made of just one cell, while humans are made of trillions of cells. All life activities take place inside cells. Breathing, digestion, growth, excretion, and reproduction happen at the cellular level. Cells come from precursing cells. New cells are formed when existing cells divide. This helps in growth and repair. In simple words, if cells stop working, life stops. Types of cells. Cells are mainly of two types based on the number of cells in an organism. 1. Unicellular organisms. These organisms are made of only one cell. That single cell performs all life functions. Examples: amoeba, bacteria, paramecium. Even though they are tiny, they can move, eat, grow, and reproduce on their own. 2. Multicellular organisms. These organisms are made of many cells. Each type of cell has a special job. Examples: humans, plants, animals. In humans, for example, nerve cells help in thinking. Muscle cells help in movement. Blood cells carry oxygen. This division of work makes the body more efficient. Parts of a cell and their functions. Even though cells are very small, they are well organized. The main parts of a typical cell are: 1. Cell membrane. It is the outer covering of the cell. It controls what enters and leaves the cell, like a security gate. 2. Cytoplasm. It is the jelly-like substance inside the cell. Most chemical reactions needed for life happen here. 3. Nucleus. It is the control center of the cell. It contains genetic material DNA and controls growth and reproduction. Some cells, like bacteria, do not have a nucleus. These are called prokaryotic cells. Plant cell and animal cell. Plant and animal cells are similar but not exactly the same. Plant cells have the cell wall for support, chloroplast for photosynthesis, large vacuole for storage. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts or a cell wall. This shows how cells are designed according to their function. Importance of cells in life. Cells are important because growth happens when cells divide and increase in number. Healing happens when damaged cells are replaced. Reproduction starts from a single cell. All body functions depend on healthy cells. That's why doctors say, take care of your body. Because they are really saying, take care of your cells. Conclusion. To sum it up, the cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms, big or small, are made of cells. Cells carry out all life processes and make growth, repair, and reproduction possible. Understanding cells helps us understand how life works at the most basic level. Hello students, let's get to know me. The type of videos I make here are very important for your school, college, and higher studies. I do a lot of research and find answers to your questions. But for physical problems, I make voiceovers through AI. I upload 1 videos here every day.